going on, guys? Norm here from International Motor Cars. We're gonna go pick up a car and crush it with the monster truck. But first, safety first with everything going on out there. Got my mask on. Got my gloves on. We're good to go. Crushing with the monster truck. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think we're getting. I think it's like maybe like a Ferrari or a McLaren,
yeah,
something
C8.
like that. Yeah, new C8. Crushing a C8 with the monster truck. I'd be the first person on YouTube to crush a C8. Catch you guys at the dealership. All right, guys, we have just arrived to pick up our car. And why don't I show you guys what we got? We're here. Come with us. Here it is. New C8 Corvette. 2-liter. Body's in really nice shape on this thing. Oh yeah, really nice shape on the front end. And the rear. Clean, one owner, 0 rust. It has brand new to me tires. This thing's a beauty. Oh. Unlocked, automatic, it's good to go. Yeah, it had a little accident. That's a nice body repair. Oh yeah, really nice body repair. All right, guys, the keys are officially mine. Let's start this bad boy up. Oh yeah, yeah. Listen to that baby purr. Let's hope she makes her back. I think it burns a little bit of oil. Not too much, just a little bit though. Let's hope we make her back. Honestly, little review on this. I don't even know what year it is. It's a 2002 Mazda Protege. It's got 203,000 low kilometers. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's got a pretty gnarly belt squeak right now. Windshield wipers work. Air conditioning works. It's got an automatic transmission. Power windows. And power locks that seem to work. Cruise control. This thing's not bad. It's got owner's manuals. It's pretty legit. Belt squeak's gone. This thing's not bad. I mean, it's got a USB charger. That's worth like $1. I'll keep that. This thing's pretty legit. Definitely sounds like it's about to die out, but we'll see if this thing makes it back to South Calgary. We'll catch you guys there. Just exiting onto Deerfoot right now, and not gonna lie, this thing at 100 actually feels pretty good, like pretty solid. Steering wheel drive straight. It did almost die on me, stopped, but I mean she's She's purring right now. And I know you guys can't tell, but I got a huge smile on my face right now underneath my mask. I'll keep you guys updated as I get closer to the dealership. And I mean, she burns a little bit of oil when you give on it. And that brings me to my last point. I don't even know how much oil's in this engine because the sticker here says due over a year ago at 190,427, and she's sitting at 203,524, so good, you know, 13,000 over, no big deal. And there we go, she's about to die out on me. Takes corners like nothing. Handles great, honestly. All right, let's go line up the monster truck. Hey guys, what's going on? Norm here from International Motor Cars. We got this lovely Protege back. We're gonna crush it with the monster truck. So first, I need you guys to subscribe to I Am Cars. And we'll get on with this right now. Alright, let's see if we can do some photo magic right now. There you have it. Alright, we'll try that again. Subscribe to I Am Cars. Let's get this crush underway.
Keep coming! Keep coming!
I am never gonna financially recover from this. gonna financially recover from this.
There we have it. Crushed 2 cars at the monster truck. All right, and there we have it, the aftermath of the car crush. This thing's got a little bit of damage, but I mean, it's not bad. A little bit of damage, right? Oh. A little bit, not terrible. Still a little bit of rust too. Perfect. What do you think? Should we see if the Protege starts? Let's see if this starts. I'm not getting in there because there's glass everywhere, but what do you think? You think it'll start? I'm being very careful. Very careful. Just like new, guys. It runs and It does run, but oh yeah, got a little bit of a coolant leak, but what do you expect? All right, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to see more car crushes, let me know in the comments below, and we might make it happen for you guys.
Thank you.